home is burning. Your 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 home is burning.
I got the Arduino Uno board for this project, beautiful project. Welcome to TME Education. So DFPlayer Mini. DFPlayer Mini is an audio player module with a simplified output directly connected to the speaker. This device supports files like MP3, WAV file, and WMA file. On top of the DFPlayer Mini, we have an SD card adapter. It supports SD cards with capacity up to 32 gigabytes. The format of your SD card should be FAT16 and FAT32. You can power the DFPlayer Mini with a 3.2 volt or 5 volt DC power supply. The audio player uses UART protocol to communicate with Arduino Uno board. To make this module, the audio player, so we also need the LED display, the flame sensor. Get for yourself a speaker, 20 ohm, 1 watt, I think watt, 1K resistor. Okay, now the SD card. Okay, the disk format should be FAT16 or FAT32. Okay, so we put the DFPlayer Mini on the breadboard. Okay, now we need this 1K resistor attached to the RX pin of the DFPlayer Mini. Welcome to TME education, guys. Okay, now the RX through this K resistor will be connected to the TX of the Arduino Uno pin 3 defined on the Arduino code. Now the TX of the DFPlayer Mini will be attached to the RX of the Arduino Uno pin 2 defined in the code. Okay, now this is the VCC is going to VCC. Okay, VCC 5 volt. Okay, this is ground. Okay, now we attach the VCC to the 5 pin to the Arduino pin 5 volt. Then we have 2 ground pins on the DFPlayer Mini that need to go to need to be ground. Okay, the 2 ground pins to the ground. Okay, it's done. Okay, we've just set up the DFPlayer Mini with Arduino. Now we set up the LED display. Okay, VCC to 5 volt, then ground to ground, and the pin, the clock pin SCL to Arduino pin, analog pin A5, the data pin SDA to Arduino pin A4, then now the flame sensor, 3 pins. On my left side is the data pin, the middle pin ground, and on my right side is the VCC. So this is the data pin to pin 6 to Arduino pin 6. So let me just pick a wire for pin 6. Okay, so this is pin 6. Okay, now okay, pin 6. Now let me grab another wire for, let me see, this is for ground. Let me connect the ground like that. Then I think I messed up. This is the VCC pin. The data pin is on this side, okay, on my left side, and on my right side is the VCC. Oh, cool. I think it's almost done. We just need to connect the SD card. Okay, the format should be FAT16 and or FAT32. Maximum number of supported folders is 100. Now we connect the speaker. Okay, I'm going to show you the schematic. Okay, don't worry. Before I show you the schematic, we need to create the audio. Okay, to create the audio, you go to TTS, I think, maker. You go to this site, and I'm going to use a male voice. Now to create the to convert to speech, you need to put the CAPTCHA, I think, code. Then it will
Your home is
create
burning.
the audio for
Your home
you.
is burning.
Okay, I use the male voice. Then you can download. Okay, now you rename your audio. Okay, your file audio should start always with 2 zeros. Okay, I think 2 zeros, and then comes 1 1 2 3. Okay, and yeah, then so this is the diagram, and this is the code for this project. Very simple. I'm going to provide in the description of this video. Okay, cool.
Your home is burning. 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 Your home is burning.